Hello and welcome back to another Gloo tutorial. So if we now take a look at the ACF relationship field dynamic tag, and what this allows us to do is fetch back the posts that we have specifically assigned to either a post or a page. Let's dive in and take a look. The first part that we're going to take a look at is the actual meta field that we created with ACF. So we've used the relationship meta field, and this allows us to select any post or page that we want associated with the post or page that we're working on. So our relationship meta field is called relationship, so that's important to keep a note of that. So we're actually going to use that as a reference point when we use the ACF relationship field tag. So as you can see, we've got a couple of posts here that we've associated with this particular page. Now if we go ahead and edit the template, as you can see there are 3 posts there. What we can do to output this information is use, for example, a heading widget. If we drag that into view, if we click on dynamic tags and scroll down to the ACF relation field tag, which is beneath the Gloo dynamic tags, and what we have is some options in here. Now if you remember, I mentioned about keeping reference of the relation field key. So of course our relationship is relationship, and what this will allow us to do now is fetch those posts or pages that we set within this particular page within that meta field. And the output format that we're going to choose is UL structure, and the return value if we set to name just for now. So as a basic example, you can see that these are the posts that we actually set within that meta field. Of course you can change what is displayed here, and there are various different output formats and values. So if we take a look, we've got UL structure, OL structure, delimiter and array length. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. So OL structure is a simple ordered list. Delimiter gives us some further options. So we've got a return value and the delimiter itself. So for example, if we wanted to output the names or the slugs, of course we do need to put a delimiter in. And what this does is obviously delimits the posts so that it can output each one that we've set. So as you can see, that is the slugs, and then we have IDs. This is great for debugging, and we have a link, which is obviously the actual link, the URL of that particular post or page that you've set. Clickable title, so this is a more elegant way, probably what you'd expect to see. So it's actual post title or the page title, and then that's automatically got the link bound to this, so when a user clicks on this, it will take them to that particular page or post. And then of course you've got the meta field, and you can specify the meta key, and again you've got the delimiter option there. So as you can see, this is a really nice way to have full control over where you want your posts or pages to show on specific pages or posts or templates, and it gives you the complete full control over this instead of having to cherry pick by IDs, using relationship fields or tags when using like related posts. So for instance, when you have to identify IDs of particular posts or pages, it's very difficult to control, whereas this gives you the complete control over which posts and pages you want to see and where. So as you can see, that was very straightforward and easy to do. Thank you very much again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.